Today we are decorating some royal icing cookies for Rickie's 9th birthday up in New Jersey. We loved doing these cookies. They are game controllers, one of 2 sets that you'll see on the channel this weekend. And you can see that the black icing background is going to lay the ground for a glow in the dark effect. Check this out. So this is Lumo. You can use this in any of your icings as long as you have a black light. So once that icing is in here, I'm doing a bit of a massage to the icing bag so that everything is combined, and then I'm going to be decorating Rickie's birthday cookie, celebrating 9 years old, reaching level 9. And then, you know what, this is such a fun experience. We have so many different colors you can see on the top left of your screen with all of the different glow in the darks, and we are definitely going to be breaking this out more and more on this channel and for our bakery. So you ready? Here we go. Here's that glow in the dark effect. Happy birthday, Rickie, and interested? Comment below.